Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 17. You will appoint judges and officers in all your gates, which Yahweh your Elohim gives you throughout your tribes, and they will judge the people with righteous guidelines. You will not bend the guidelines. You will not respect persons, nor take a gift. For a gift blinds the eyes of the wise, and perverts the words of the righteous. Surely you will follow righteousness, that you may live and inherit the land which Yahweh your Elohim gives you. You will not plant a carved wood idol of any tree, which you make for yourself near the altar of Yahweh your Elohim, nor will you set up a monument which Yahweh your Elohim hates. You will not sacrifice unto Yahweh your Elohim a bull or sheep that has a blemish, any bad description, for that is an abomination unto Yahweh your Elohim. If a man or woman is found among you within any of your gates, which Yahweh your Elohim gives you, who has worked wickedness in the sight of Yahweh your Elohim, by transgressing his covenant, also having gone and served other deities, and worshipped them, either the sun or moon, or any of the army of the heavens, which I have not commanded. Furthermore, it is told to you, and you have heard, and have diligently inquired, and have beheld the truth. The accusation is correct, that such an abomination has been worked in Yeshariel. Then you will bring forth that man or that woman who has committed the wicked thing unto your gates. Then you will stone them with stones until they die. By the mouth of 2 or 3 witnesses, he who is worthy of death will be put to death. By the mouth of 1 witness, he will not be put to death. The hands of the witnesses will be the first upon him to put him to death. Then afterwards, the hands of all the people, so that you will put evil away from among you. If there arises a matter too hard for you in judgment, between blood and blood, between plea and plea, or between attack and attack, matters of controversy within your gates, then you will arise and get yourself up into the place that Yahweh your Elohim will choose. Moreover, you will come to the priests, the Levim, and to the judge who will be in those days, and inquire, and they will declare to you the word of judgment, and you will do according to the word that is declared to you from that place, which Yahweh will choose, and you will observe to do according to all that they inform you. You will do according to the word of the teaching that they tell you, and according to the guideline that they tell you. You will not turn from the word that they have declared to you, the right hand or the left. Therefore, the man who does wickedly and does not hearken to the priest who stands to minister there before Yahweh your Elohim, or to the judge, that man will die. Thus you will put away the evil from Yeshariel, and all the people will hear and fear, and do no more wickedness. When you come to the land which Yahweh your Elohim gives you, and possess it, and dwell in it, and say, I will set a king over me, like all the nations that are round about me. Surely you will set a king over you, who Yahweh your Elohim chooses from among your brethren. You will set a king over you. You will not set a foreign man over you, who is not your brother. Nonetheless, he will not multiply horses for himself, nor cause the people to return to Mitzrayim, so that he might buy more horses. Therefore, as Yahuwah has said to you, henceforth you will not return that way any more. Nor will he multiply wives for himself, so that his heart does not turn away. Nor will he greatly multiply silver and gold for himself. Moreover, it will come to pass, when he sits upon the throne of his kingdom, that he will write himself a copy of this teaching according to the Supper, from before the priests, the Levim. Therefore it will be with him, and he will read in it all the days of his life, that he may learn to revere Yahweh his Elohim, to keep all the words of this teaching and these customs, to do them, so that his heart is not lifted up over his brethren, and that he does not turn aside from the commandment, the right hand or the left, for the purpose that he may prolong the days in his kingdom, he and his children in the midst of Yisrael.